All right, so now that we actually have the MeFn Evan software installed from the official Google Chrome store, let's go ahead and set it up. So in the last video, we went ahead and logged in, so I'm not going to go in and actually log in again and show you how to put in your username and password. It's really easy. But what you're going to want to do, since this is a software for Facebook, you're going to want to make sure that you're actually logged into Facebook.com. So, oh, look at there. We went to Facebook.com. We're logged into Facebook.com. Okay. So now we're here logged into Facebook.com. You can even see me live streaming the training that I'm recording right now. So once we're actually logged into Facebook.com, we're just going to actually open up the extension, and then it's quite possible that you'll see on your dashboard. So see what I did? I just actually clicked this little thing up here, and then I went to my dashboard, okay? And the dashboard is just like the main page. If you don't see your information here, if you don't see like your name and you don't see your actual profile picture here, all you need to do is make sure that you're logged into Facebook and then click this refresh button so that MeFn Evan can go find out, okay, what's your Facebook account, who's logged into this actual software, so it knows how to actually respond to your messages, okay? And then you can always just click this link right here, and this will just actually open up your Facebook profile just for you to verify that it's actually connected to your actual Facebook account. So this is the main thing that you need to make sure that you do. If for some reason that you see, okay, hey, the extension's not working or something, well, a few things you need to make sure that you do. The first thing that you want to make sure that you do is you just come over here to the settings, just like I showed you. Come up here to the dashboard, and just click on this refresh. Sometimes it's not showing for me because it's successfully connected to my profile, but sometimes there'll be an error here, and if you see an error, it will be like a little red error, and literally all you need to do is click the refresh button. So just click the refresh button, and it will actually go out and reconnect to your profile. Once you've done that, and you can see clearly that it's saying welcome, and it sees that, hey, who this is that has your picture, just click on this Facebook link, and once you click on this Facebook link, make sure it's opening up your actual profile. And if you've done that, then it is connected correctly, all right? So if it's connected correctly, the next thing that you're going to want to do, if for some reason that you see it isn't actually working, the next thing you're going to want to do is look at this on and off switch. Make sure it's turned on. If it's not turned on, if it's turned off, just click the on switch and it will be turned on. If it is turned on and for some reason it didn't respond to your messages, then just turn it off and turn it back on, and then you should be all set, okay? So those are the things that you can actually troubleshoot to make sure that the software is actually working for you. If you notice it didn't send some messages, just do those things. And then in the next few training videos, I'm going to show you how to go in and actually get everything set up and get everything actually configured so that you can start using the software properly.